Hello my dear students, in this video we'll learn how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. So steps to convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient will be the whole number part of the mixed number. The remainder becomes the numerator of the fractional part and the denominator remains the same as in the improper fraction. So convert 18 by 5 to mixed fraction. So first we divide numerator by denominator, that is 18 divided by 5. So by division algorithm, we get 18 is equal to 5 into 3 plus 3. But the quotient is 3 and the remainder is also 3. So 18 by 5 in mixed fraction becomes 3 by 5. So now a test for you. Try to convert 19 by 3 into mixed fraction and leave your answer in the comments. So if you like this print representation and would like more such content in the future, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.